300 billion Shiba Inu has been sent to Coinbase as bankrupt lender empties $700 million of crypto holdings, according to on-chain data. In this article, what we are seeing is that Voyager is dumping cryptocurrencies every single week at an alarming rate of around $100 million per week. They're selling these cryptocurrencies, especially Shiba Inu, which they have a massive bag of. Should you be concerned? Should you be worried? And where are cryptocurrencies headed? We're getting all this crazy data with China, inflation. Are cryptos ever going to go back up again? Are we going to have a bull run this year? What is going on? Well, in this video, I have the answers for you. So sit tight until the very end of this video to find out what I have in store for you today. So the cryptocurrency market had rallied today. Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies were up nearly 3 to 4% on average. Especially Shiba Inu has done very well. We saw a pretty big spike from yesterday's crash. We bounced up a bit, and it looks like we are most likely going to be heading down. And the reason for this is if we go ahead and take a look at the stock market, which cryptos follow, we can see the stock market is not looking too hot. This is the S&P 500. We go to the 4-hour time frame. We can see that we are just in a continuous downtrend and likely to continue heading down for maybe the next 2 weeks or less. But in just about 10 days, we have CPI, which is a data event that in the morning on CPI, when it is released about 8:30, we will see how inflation was in the month of February. And if we get information and data showing that inflation is actually cooling down in the month of February, Shiba Inu is going to pump, especially with the Shibarium. Not only Shiba Inu, but every cryptocurrency is going to pump. And I think that this is going to be the case. But let's get into what is happening. So I mentioned in my video yesterday, which you guys, after this video, make sure you watch my video today. I have a whole bunch of great videos about Shiba Inu, and they are all breaking news and information that you need to be updated with regarding the Shibarium release and the lead Satoshi dev of Shiba Inu. But in my video yesterday, and what I'm talking about right now, is that Voyager, the bankrupt crypto exchange, the one that a lot of your money was stuck in there, they're now selling the assets that they have of cryptocurrencies, your cryptocurrencies that they held, to be able to pay back debts, to be able to pay back some of the customers. And what's happening is they're being forced to sell cryptocurrencies at $100 million per week. That's a lot of cryptocurrencies being dumped onto the market, onto the exchanges. And that's why there was 300 billion Shiba Inu sent to Coinbase to sell. A lot of these cryptocurrency companies, they have these cryptos in cold storage, but they're not traded, they're not really messed with. But whenever you begin to see a lot of cryptocurrencies sent to an exchange, it means they're sending it to an exchange to exchange it for real money, real dollars, and they are selling it. So that's why I am telling you about this. And should you be concerned about this? Well, although they are selling $100 million a week in cryptocurrencies have been slowly selling off. And it's not out of this world to see cryptocurrencies take a breather after we've been pumping this entire year. I mean, let me go ahead and show you Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin here. I'm just going to go to the daily time frame. We've been pumping this entire year. So has Shiba Inu and other cryptocurrencies. Ever since the start of the new year, we've been pumping and only going up. And we are now beginning to take a breather, ladies and gentlemen, which is completely normal, completely healthy. And the data and all the FUD that we're experiencing now is probably going to bring us down to create some type of new low and then continue heading back up. That's what I think is most likely, honestly, in my opinion. But are you tired and frustrated of holding cryptocurrencies where it just goes up so much and you forgot to take profits, or you wish you could have taken profits and then buy it at a lower price? Well, I created this solution for you. It's called Algo Sniper. It tells you exactly when to buy and when to sell any cryptocurrency. Look at this. We get a sell alert, we get a huge crash. Look at this. Before Bitcoin went all the way up to 26,000, we had a huge buy alert, then a sell alert. This indicator is the most accurate, easy to use indicator in the world, and you can try it. The best part is free at algosniper.com. The link is in my video description. And make sure you are also a part of the Patreon, where I am putting out profitable buy and sell alerts, short alerts, long alerts, leverage signals, and you can copy my exact trades and be a part of my massive crypto trading community, where there's a whole bunch of other traders and where I'm active every single day. You can ask me questions or whatever you need. And one last thing, I need to remind you that you should be using Bybit. It is the best crypto trading platform out there, hands down, the most secure, and it is free. There are 0 spot fees. You can also claim a $30,000 deposit bonus. All you have to do is open up an account, use only the link in my video description, and just make one trade, and you can claim up to insane bonuses. If you are in the US, you will need to use a VPN. I recommend putting your country in Canada or Singapore, something like that. That's going to be it for this video. If you got at least one thing out of this video, consider subscribing with notifications on, because you do not want to be missing these time-sensitive videos. And give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to check my videos out that I made earlier today.